You have been building 4 walls and calling it a home. What if the 5th wall changed everything? The 6th, the 7th, the 8th. Same square footage, same materials, same budget, completely different space. Welcome to Affordable Tiny Living. Today we are going section by section through the Octagon home. What makes it different? What it does to your space and your budget? What it looks like inside and out? And the 5 homes proving it works at every price point. Subscribe right now. Let's get into it. An Octagon home is a building with 8 equal wall faces. Each interior corner angle is 135 degrees, wider than the 90 degrees of a rectangular room, but narrower than the continuous curve of a circular building. The result sits precisely between the two, more spatially interesting than a rectangle, more buildable than a circle. In a rectangular room, the 90-degree corner is a dead zone. Furniture cannot fill it efficiently. Light does not reach it. It contributes floor area on paper, but almost nothing in practice. At 135 degrees, the corner opens. A sofa placed against 2 adjacent octagon walls sits at a comfortable angle that faces the room rather than disappearing into a tight junction. A bed against the corner reads naturally rather than awkwardly. Shelving runs continuously without the interruption of sharp right angle. The corner becomes usable. 8 walls, 8 135-degree corners. Know them dead. A circular building requires curved formwork, curved framing, or curved masonry, all of which demand specialist skill or significant additional time. An octagon uses 8 flat walls. Every wall is built with conventional stud framing or masonry. Every wall is straight. Only the connections between walls change angle from 90 to 135 degrees. A competent builder or an experienced owner-builder can construct an octagon without specialist skills. The octagon is the most buildable O-shaped form. It approximates the spatial benefits of a circle using the construction methods of a rectangle. Octagon homes are not new. The octagon house movement swept the United States in the 1850s after Orson Squire Fowler published A Home for All in 1848, arguing that the octagon was the most rational, most economical, and most spatially efficient form for residential construction. Over 2,000 octagon homes were built in the following 2 decades. Many are still standing today. The arguments Fowler made in 1848 are still valid in 2025. From street level, the octagon reads as distinctly non-rectangular without appearing eccentric. The multiple wall faces create a building that appears to turn and present itself as you move around it. It has no single primary facade in the way a rectangular building does. It is engaging from every angle. From above, the octagon footprint is immediately recognizable and visually satisfying. It reads as considered, intentional. 8 wall faces offer window placement opportunities that a rectangle cannot. A rectangular home typically has 2 long faces and 2 short faces. Windows cluster on the long faces, and the short faces are often largely solid. An octagon has 8 faces of equal length. Windows can be placed on 5, 6, or even 7 of the 8 faces, bringing light into the interior from multiple directions simultaneously. The interior is never dark regardless of the orientation of the lot. Recommended window placement: 1 or 2 windows on each of the 4 primary faces: north, south, east, west. Entry door on one of the 4 diagonal faces. Service access on another diagonal face. This arrangement brings light from all 4 compass directions. Pyramid roof, the most common and most structurally natural choice for an octagon. 8 roof planes meeting at a central apex. Clean, geometric, self-evidently appropriate to the form. The central apex creates a high point at the center of the interior, a natural position for a skylight or a ventilation opening. Flat roof, practical for an octagon, particularly for a contemporary aesthetic. Requires careful drainage design with a slight fall toward a perimeter gutter. Allows a roof terrace if the structure permits. Clear story drum, A short vertical wall drum raised above the octagon walls on which a flat or low-pitch roof sits creates a band of clear-story windows all the way around the building at the roof level, brings light into the center of the interior from above in all directions. The most light-filled octagon configuration. All standard cladding materials work on octagon walls. The walls are flat. The corner connections require a mitered or return detail at 135 degrees. This is straightforward for most cladding materials and adds minimal cost. Timber board and batten, the most common choice. Warm, natural, each face reads as a panel. Cost, $40 to $80 per square meter installed. Fiber cement, low maintenance, durable, paintable. Cost, $35 to $65 per square meter installed. Brick or stone, the most permanent and most costly. The corner requires a special cut brick or stone return. Cost, $120 to $220 per square meter installed. In a single-room octagon, where all 8 walls define one open space, the interior quality is immediately distinct from a rectangular room of the same area. The room has no dominant axis. In a rectangular room, the long axis pulls the eye and the furniture arrangement from one end to the other. A sofa faces a television, a bed faces a wall. In an octagon, there is no long axis. The room is centripetal. It pulls inward toward its own center rather than along a direction. Furniture clusters naturally at the center facing outward rather than lining the walls facing each other. This arrangement produces an interior that feels gathered and social rather than directional and formal. With windows on 5 or more of the 8 faces, the interior of an octagon receives light from multiple directions simultaneously throughout the day. There is no time of day when the interior is entirely in shadow. As the sun moves, the light source shifts around the room. The interior is animated by the movement of light in a way that a single orientation rectangular room never achieves. Under a pyramid roof, the ceiling rises from the wall plate height at the perimeter to the apex at the center. In a 6-meter diameter octagon with a 2.4-meter wall plate and a 35-degree roof pitch, the apex is approximately 4.5 meters above the floor. The perimeter of the room, where the ceiling is lowest, is where storage, sleeping nooks, and kitchen counters are most naturally placed. The center, where the ceiling is highest, is the gathering space. The room self-organizes around its own geometry. The center is the room, primary seating and social space at the highest point under the apex. The 8 faces are the functions. Each face accommodates one functional element. Kitchen face, entry face, sleeping face, storage face, bathroom face. The functions organize around the perimeter, leaving the center clear. Partitions follow the geometry. If a private sleeping zone is needed, a partition wall runs between 2 adjacent octagon corners. A wall of exactly the right length to close off one face and its 2 adjacent half faces. The geometry provides the partition dimensions without calculation. In a small octagon, a wet room bathroom in one face section is the most space-efficient solution. One face of the octagon, approximately 2 to 2.5 meters of wall width in a 6-meter diameter octagon, is sufficient for a shower, toilet, and small vanity. A prefabricated wet room pod size to fit one octagon face is the fastest and least expensive installation option. Options: a sleeping loft under the pyramid roof at the perimeter, where the ceiling slopes down to the wall plate, creating an intimate sleeping nook. Or a ground floor sleeping area partitioned off one face section using a sliding panel or curtain. Or a separate sleeping pod, a small octagon or rectangular module, linked to the main octagon by a short connecting passage. The octagon distributes loads across 8 wall faces rather than 4. Each wall face is shorter than the equivalent wall of a rectangular building with the same floor area. Shorter walls are stiffer walls. They deflect less under lateral load, require less bracing, and are less susceptible to racking under wind or seismic forces. The pyramid roof is a structurally efficient form. The 8 roof planes work together as a three-dimensional structure, each one buttressing its neighbors. A properly detailed octagon pyramid roof requires no internal ridge beam. The apex connection carries compression from all 8 directions simultaneously. The octagon has a lower surface area to volume ratio than a rectangle of the same floor area. Less wall surface means less heat loss in winter and less heat gain in summer, compared to a square of the same area. The octagon has approximately 8% less wall perimeter over a heating season in a cold climate. That 8% reduction in heat loss surface translates to approximately 8% lower heating energy consumption. Over 20 years, a meaningful saving from geometry alone. The octagon presents no flat face directly to wind from any direction. Wind arriving at a 45-degree angle to one face is partially deflected by the adjacent face. The net wind force on an octagon is lower than on a rectangular building of the same size in any wind direction. In exposed sites, this matters. Foundation, slab, or perimeter footing, $6,500. Octagon wall frame, 8 faces, stud frame, $9,000. Pyramid roof structure, $7,500. Exterior cladding, $5,500. Windows and doors, 5 to 6 windows, 1 door, $6,000. Insulation, $3,500. Interior lining and finishes, $6,000. Kitchen, $4,500. Bathroom, prefab wet room pod, $5,000. Mechanical and electrical, $9,500. Flooring, $2,000. Permits and professional fees, $2,500. Total, $67,000. The octagon wall frame costs approximately 12 to 18% more than a rectangular frame of the same floor area. The additional cost comes from the 8 corner connections at 135 degrees rather than 4 at 90 degrees, and the slightly more complex roof geometry. Total premium over a rectangular tiny home of equivalent specification, approximately $8,000 to $15,000. What that premium buys: light from 5 or more directions, no dead corners, the central pyramid ceiling volume, the structural benefits of the octagon form, and a home that every visitor describes as unlike anything they have experienced in a small building. The premium is real. So is what it buys. 3 octagon homes at a glance. Home 1, Appalachian Mountain Cabin. Diameter, 6 meters, 400 square feet. Roof, pyramid with central skylight. Exterior, rough sawn Douglas fir board and batten, natural finish. Windows, on 6 of 8 faces. The interior is bright regardless of the time of day. Interior, exposed timber frame, pine tongue groove ceiling following the pyramid planes, cast ironwood stove at the center under the skylight apex, earthen floor with linseed oil finish. Total cost, $71,000. Standout feature: the cast iron stove sits directly beneath the pyramid apex and the central skylight. In winter, the smoke rises through the warm air column under the apex. At night, the stars are visible through the skylight from the stove chair below. One position in the home: the stove, the apex, and the sky in a single vertical line. Home 2, Texas Hill Country. Diameter, 7 meters, 530 square feet. Roof, flat with clear-story drum. A band of windows all the way around the building at roof level. Exterior, painted fiber cement, warm terracotta tone. Windows, clear-story band plus 4 large face windows. The interior is flooded with light from above and from the side simultaneously. Interior, white plaster walls, polished concrete floor, kitchen along one face, sleeping loft in the perimeter zone under the clearstory drum, central gathering space open to the clearstory above. Total cost, $94,000. Standout feature, the clearstory drum brings light into the very center of the interior from all directions. There is no time of day and no weather condition in which this interior needs artificial light. Home 3, Pacific Northwest, OFF grid. Diameter, 6 meters, 400 square feet. Roof, pyramid with south-facing face extended into a single slope porch roof. A covered outdoor space attached to one face. Exterior, dark stained cedar, corrugated metal roofing. Windows, south and east faces fully glazed, passive solar orientation. Interior, exposed timber frame, spray foam ceiling under the pyramid painted white, polished concrete floor with embedded hydronic radiant heating fed by a wood-fired boiler. Off-grid systems, 3.2 kilowatt solar array on the extended south porch roof. Rainwater collection from the pyramid roof to a 2,500-liter tank. Wood-fired boiler for heating and hot water. Total cost, $98,000, including off-grid systems. Monthly utility cost, $0. Standout feature, the porch roof extension on the south face is both the solar panel platform and the covered outdoor living space. One architectural element doing two jobs simultaneously. The Octagon costs 12 to 18% more to frame than a rectangle of the same floor area. The premium is real. Know it before you budget. Standard rectangular furniture fits awkwardly against 135-degree corner walls. Built-in furniture designed to the Octagon geometry solves this completely, but adds cost. Budget $3,000 to $8,000 for built-in perimeter furniture, depending on scope. Confirm with your local planning department that an Octagon footprint is permitted on your lot. In most jurisdictions, it is treated as any other residential structure. In some, the non-rectangular footprint triggers additional review. One phone call before you spend money on design. The Octagon centripetal geometry works beautifully for single-room, open-plan living. It is less naturally suited to multi-room programs. If your design requires multiple separate rooms, bedrooms, study, separate kitchen, the Octagon plan requires more careful layout work than a rectangle to partition efficiently. The geometry helps single-room and loft plans. It challenges multi-room plans. 4 walls and 4 dead corners is the default. It does not have to be. 8 walls, 8 135-degree corners, every one of them usable. Light from 5 directions. A ceiling that rises to its apex at the center of the room. A structure that is stronger, lighter, and more thermally efficient than the rectangle it replaces. For a cost premium of $8,000 to $15,000 over a conventional tiny home build, the Octagon delivers more spatial quality, more light, and a more considered living environment than any rectangle at the same budget can match. So here's what we want to know. Would you build an Octagon home? Or is the rectangular box still the right answer for your situation? Drop your honest answer in the comments. We read every single one. Subscribe to Affordable Tiny Living if you're not already here. This is the channel that goes this deep every single week. Thank you for being here at Affordable Tiny Living. All 5 homes, builders, and full cost breakdowns are linked in the description. Subscribe. Hit the bell. We will see you in the next one.